Hi, folks, it's Jeff here, all the way from the land of smiles, Thailand, in Phuket. That's where I am. I've been here now for about 6 weeks. Previously, I was in Koh Samui in Thailand. Soon to be heading to Bali in Indonesia. I have one more thing to do, and I'll be there probably within a week, so let everybody know. I just want to share my charts right now, and people have been asking how it's possible to trade on the 1 minute time frame and be so consistent. And people say, Jeff, I can't trade the normal hours because I'm night shift or I'm back shift or I'm early shift. Any excuse to give. So I'm going to give it a middle of the night time. So those people that trade the non-tradable times, I'm going to show you that right now. And we can look at other times as well. So I'm just going to go to here that I prefer. Oh, sorry, let me just put that aside. But there's my little friendly group. It's a free group, trial 30-minute trader. I'm just going to go to the charts, AUD, USD. I've got candles on there, and I've got little things, green things and red things, and I've got a few other stuffs up there. All I'm going to do is focus on these green boxes and these red boxes. And inside the red box, you see is a little candle, a red candle. And inside that box there is a green candle. Patricia, do you see that there?
Yeah.
Sudhkar, do you see that there?
Yes, Jeff. Yeah.
Yeah. So what color is this, please?
It's a green and white.
It's green. That one's green and that one's red. Yep. I'll put this there because you wouldn't need the super trend for this, but I want to show you that later. I want to just naked charts. So for all intents and purposes, there's no indicators, okay? That's what it looks like, no indicators. I'll give you a time. Let's talk about a time frame. The no trade zone, the slow zone that what I love about the slow zone, it's great for struggling traders and it's great for beginners. This is why I show this. So I want to go back to, first of all, just last week. So we like a full week. And she trades Eastern, the lady I'm talking, Eastern Standard Time at 2000. It's one of the times I go live, actually. It's funny that. And press go to, and what that does goes back a week. And you'll see what I've marked up already. So I'm going to delete that. So it was absolutely nothing. So before we get any further, my software picks up this is a downtrend. Can you see that, Sudhkar? Patricia?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Now let's say you never saw it and it goes down. Then because I'm going back in time, the boxes are not there. But you see this green thing here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all I need to know. And we know where it came from. It came from here, didn't it? It came from here. So I just want to show you a few things. So with the software, she gets this trade. We all get this trade that you have the software. I'm just going to now mark that up. Yeah. And I mark that up to there as well. And it came from there. But I'm not going to say it's going to go back to there because I could claim that, blah, blah, blah. So, Sudhkar, have you ever heard me talk about 50% at all?
Yes, yeah.
Like, how do you, mate?
Mate.
Yeah. So, you see this big candle here?
Yes.
Approximately 50%. Hits there, rejects. So, there's a trade. She gets it back up to there. On the way down, she says, well, or me, demo image can say, well, oh, there's the potential exit there. Danger, you keep your finger on that. So you either take that trade or you don't. If you don't trade it, you do nothing. It goes back up here. Do you think red means going down or do you think red means going up?
Well, it's like going down.
It does, doesn't it? It's that green. So all I do is I take this here and I do that. Now, the hard work is done. Was that hard at all, Patricia?
No. So do you mark that up with where you would do your sell then?
Oh, give me a minute. I'm not finished yet. Forget that question. Do you have anything questions on what I've just done so far? Or is that quite easy?
That seems quite clear.
I've got a green box, the green thing, I mark a cut. I've got a red one that comes with the software, and I put a 50%. Now, this is where the magic happens. Where does that go to when you look left?
It goes nearly down to 50% of that green candle again.
It does, it actually hits it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It goes along. Where does it go to? When we get another green one of these, it's telling me it's going up. Where does it go to?
50% of your red.
We get a red one. So what do? It goes to here. We get a green one. Guess what it goes to?
It's going up.
We get a red. Oh, there we go, and it comes down, and it pushes beyond that this time. So we get excited, and I'll explain to you why we get excited. Because we get a new low, and we're waiting for the green. We're waiting for the green to go up. So once we get to the green, we get super excited. And where does it go to? Look, left. Where does it go to? There. It comes down, dance around, and where does it go to? That's one day. That's a couple hours.
Wow.
1 minute time frame. Sudhkar, is there any value there for you? Could you do that?
Yes, Jeff, yeah.
Right, I'm going to change the date just to prove it's not a one-off. I'm going to prove not to say it's if look. Give me that. I'm going to press auto. Another day. Okay. We see a green one. What do? We draw one of these. We get excited. We draw 50%. Thank you very much. It goes up. We get a red one. It comes down to there, but up. We get another red one. Okay, I'll take that one because that was the last red one. I've got to put my battery on. Okay. Oh, there's some extra stuff going on in there. Just give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Give us 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute. I need to charge my battery. 1 minute. I'm going to change location. Can everybody still hear me?
Yes, mate. Yeah.
I have to change. Sorry, I'm supposed to be organised. Never mind. Too hot today. It's been too hot. But one shouldn't complain is we'll have sunshine and we'll have the lovely heat. So here we go. I'm back. So I'll share my screen again. So let me just confirm again where I was. I went there. I went there. Press go to, and that's exactly the same space. So if you've got the software, the first thing is you get that, bang, you could have had whatever it is, but you just have to be careful with that. You have to be careful. But once per bar close, you would not be in that trade. But anyway, there's many ways to use this. One is using these yellow things. I've shown you plenty of times before. Another way is by getting the software with part of the mentoring group, you get these. We have a green one, we draw a line. It goes up, we get a red one, we draw that, and we bring that down to there. Those people that know. Now watch what it does. Red to green. But this time it does something else. So you wait for it to come back up, we'll wait for it to come back, and once it breaks through, guess what it goes to? And then guess what it goes to? And then guess what it goes to? And then guess what it goes to? Sudhkar, could you have got any of those trades?
No, Jeff, no.
You could not have got any of those trades.
No.
You could not have done that.
No.
Why?
I think one. I don't know about this one. I mean, how?
But can I ask you a question? You see that there's a green one, there's a red one. You know
Yes.
it's going for there. Could you physically have did one? How many minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could you have did 2 candles?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. That's all we need. There's 1% there. But watch, it goes back up, it goes back down, it goes back up, it goes back down. Okay, we're in this range now. It's in this sort of zone range, up, down, up, down. Okay, so that's telling you it's green. So where's it going? It's going to the next box. You wouldn't trade that because it's just there. This one is a little bit lower, so you can trade up to there. Yeah, it comes down and rejects. Oh, I'll just draw another green one, so I apologize. There you go, it comes down, doesn't go anywhere. So you might have lost that trade. So you lost it, so what? You won money. We got another green one. Once we got a green one, there we go. Where's it go? It goes back up to there. Thank you very much. It comes down, it goes back up. It comes down to the pip. Look at that, to the pip. And where's it go? Back up to that one and the other one, then went back down, then back up. Could you take any of those, Anne? Tricia, could you have taken any of them?
I suppose I want to
Yeah.
ask you, while you're placing your trades, are you still putting your stop losses in so you actually would know that you're gonna
100%.
get your 0.5%?
100%.
So you're tracking that the whole time, every time you
Yes.
sell,
You have your
every
stop
time you
loss.
take a trade,
Yep.
or do you set several trades at the one time for
I
different
don't.
levels? Right,
I don't.
okay. So even just with one trade, you're just very quickly setting the trade, finishing it, setting another one,
Okay.
depending on your indicators, or is it
in-
something different?
You know, in the group, we teach people to press buy and sell with them there, with preset stop losses and preset targets. You can do that in advance. You
Okay,
can actually, what you can do, I'll show you this. If you know it's red, put that there. You can put the stop loss the other side of that, or you can have it preset at 2 pips, or whatever the number is. That's 1.2 pips. You can
Yeah.
do this, right? And you have it set the target of that box there. So, and then you have it set going back up, preset. So you know where that would be 1.2, but that's a bit high. Just above there, that's all you need. You can
Yeah.
preset that in TradingView. You can map it across the MT4 if you're doing MT4. But a lot of our guys are trading inside TradingView. It's really powerful.
Yeah, so when you might set that up, but you could still, if you are sitting watching it, you could still just take your profit if it's enough.
You can take it whenever you
Before
like.
you can take it whenever you like.
If you
Yeah.
want to do one and close your computer, walk away. Anybody can who's got this software. Anybody can who knows setup. We trade 2 days a week. It's a lot of education. It's not just watching me trade. It's everybody what they've developed their own unique way. I encourage people to develop something called their model, because my trading psychology is not the same as yours, Patricia.
Yeah.
And the challenge for people is finding their way. And for some people, they get it really quick. So what we've done is we've looked at my software. With step 1, we said take every yellow indicator. And if you take, let's say you take 9 a day, about 6 of them, 7 of them will be winners. If you do nothing else, not 100%, but you can see that. Step
And that's
2,
that's the results you're getting now as you're refining it. 7 out of
Yes.
9.
6 out of 9, 7 out of 9. That's it there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
That's just these. What we've then got, I've added more stories here along. I've got these things here. I've not even really spoken about that yet, all these things here. But what these are, between that time and that time, we're saying, between that, so let me just remove, I'll do once per bar, I'll do a replay so you can see that. It comes up with that. So it's between now and 3 o'clock, between now and 3 o'clock, if I can move this out of the way. So I'm just going to set up now. I'm going to set up 3 o'clock. That's what it tells me there. Yeah, I'm a minute out, but that's good. So that's my trading time. Between that time, it tells me it's going to either go above this high or it's going to go below this low. That's what it tells me.
So it's forecasting? Is it
It's
forecasting?
forecasting it.
Oh, is
Yes.
it? Wow. Okay.
Now, you ready for this? So it's either going to go above that high or it's below that low. Let's see if it's right. Does it go? Is it wrong? Oh, this is now. So it's not now. I thought it was now because it just stopped. Where's it going for? It's aiming for this. This is what it is aiming for.
Yeah.
And if you, let's say it doesn't go up here and you only get it to there, would you be disappointed because we get a green box? What does green box mean?
It's going to go up.
So we've forecast a green between that time and that time, it's going to go to this. But ideally, we want it above there because that's what that time says. It's built into it.
Okay.
Here we go. Did it make it? Oh, it's so close. Look at that. Oh, there, it's smashed it. This is the power of the 30-minute trader, ladies and gentlemen. How many minutes was that? Let's check. When did you get in there? 15 minutes. It crushed it. So this is the second option. And then the third option is the last thing I said to you. See the power? It's simple. You can read the candles, but it's just so much in this. It's incredible. I'm not
So
funny.
within your group though, so if you go back to that indicator,
This
at
here.
the and then move along to where we are now. So when we choose our own stop loss, don't we?
You can
Just
choose,
within
yes.
that. So if you're looking at that red box to the left, and you're planning to, where would you set your stop loss? Would you put it at the top of where you hope that red box is?
So let's
or would
say we're
you
going
put
for a buy. Let's talk about the trade that's just done. Okay. We know there's a high, it was the liquidity was up here.
Yeah.
But based on this, the high probability of it, from what we've known, I can change, there's a high probability of it going to there. Right, let me change the colors of these for a minute. I'll make this. There. Stop color a little bit less. It's a bit better. And we know that there. So what we could quite easily do, doesn't have to go, we could say, well, there's a target there. Doesn't it have to go above there? Yeah, but there's a high probability of it happening, and it just did it. Now, stop losses, what we do is we look left, and we say, right, there's a green box there, there's a green box there. Is there anything else? There's a small gap there. So based on that, I can do, well, just below that small gap, because we've got a thing called broker spread. Would that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Do you know what broker spread? So there's a stop loss there. You could almost say, well, what about down below there? That's another option for you. It depends, but we've got a green box. Breaks out it, and there. Yes, it does go above 2.47%. It goes there. But I teach people to take 0.5%, which is not even one candle.
Yeah.
Then away they go.
Yeah.
Bring your stop loss up, and you can. That's it. Yeah. Is that something anybody else here watching could do? Anne, could you do that if she's still here? No. Sudhkar, could you do that? If you saw a green box, yeah, and
yes,
the software said between such and such and such and such, it's a high probability of liquidity, and it reached for it. It did. Let me do one more. Look at that, powerful. Even higher. But it wasn't predicting it was going that high, it was predicting it was going to liquidity. It could have been above here or below there. But we only, the recent box was there. It's going to be above there or below there. But once we got that green box, guess what that tells us? Thank you very much.
So as you're moving along, the algorithm's constantly recalculating for the next indicator.
Yeah. So remember, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in time now. Right. And you tell me to stop. I'll remove everything. You tell me to stop at any time. Just tell me to stop at any time you wish.
Just stop anywhere.
Okay, so what we're doing, ideally we want, I say to people, go to a particular time in the day, master that one time, master the one pair. Gold, indices, future, Forex, like AUD, US, master one. Learn how it moves. Before you're doing 20 or 30 or whatever crazy number you do, master one. Yeah, so here we go here. It came from this little thing. There's lots of ways to trade like this. Another way is to just draw a trend line, and you get a green one, you don't go into it unless it goes above there. It's another way. So let's just say we had a green one there, for example. You wouldn't enter that until it broke above there. It rejected it. See how that rejected it? But we don't another green one there. I went up, kept going up. Excellent. So we're feeling good about that. So based off the move started there. Didn't start there, it started there. That makes sense to you?
I think so.
It didn't go, it was there it started, it wasn't here. Okay, but the algorithm can work through candles. We can actually take that high because there is something happening there, and I'm going to do it down to there. Okay, goes up there, and we've got this one here. It come down, it's a high, so it didn't reach there. But the question is, let's say you took it. Let's pretend you took that trade, Patricia. And where would I put the stop loss? If you can guide me, please, based on just what you see.
Oh, it's not gold today.
Sorry, mate.
Sorry, mate. Sorry, I was talking to myself there out now. Sorry, mate. Sorry.
What did you do? What did you do on gold today? So far?
On the morning session, London time, I've done just shy of 1%.
Excellent. And 8 p.m. last night, what was your percentage growth last night? 8 p.m. Eastern Standard, you're 1 a.m.
On gold, I took about 3%, and
Nice.
on the Aussie US dollar, I took about 2.5%, I think it was.
Oh, well
off the
done.
top of my head.
I'll applaud that all day long. Well done. So what we've got here, got that there. Stop loss obviously has to be above here. Yeah. If you're not sure, you know, put it here, make it 2 pips, which is 20 ticks, right? And if you're not sure, if you're new, I say to people, make it 0.5%. Ideally, you want more than that, I would say, but make it 0.5%. That is half of that. Do you agree? 10 is half 20. Patricia?
Not really, sorry, I was distracted by something else. I wasn't following you there, sorry.
20 divided by 2 is what?
10.
So that's my target there. That's 0.5%. So I'm going to be really precise. Does it hit 0.5%? Yes, it does. Does it hit 1%? Yes, it does. If you'd be happy with 1% a day, close that every time you see one of these. Thank you very much. Walk away, you're done.
So when you say that Christine's doing several 1%.
6 or 7 a day.
Yeah, so she's doing that, she's repeating that through a series of hours or at 2 different times?
No, 1 hour, I think it's 2 hours a day, 1.5, 2 hours a day.
Okay, okay.
She
Right,
has,
sorry,
she has her strategy, which she learned in the group. She has her software she's got in the group, and she's got a time zone that suits her.
Yeah.
I've given her the times, the best time to trade, and she's chosen one of them for her.
Brilliant. Sorry, I need to go.
Okay.
See you later, I need to go.
I hope
Sorry.
that's been useful. Bye for now.
It has, thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye. 1 minute, please. I'm teaching. Okay. Bye-bye. See you soon. Bye. You okay? Send me a message. Hi, Demo. Hi, Sudkahar. I hope that's been useful for you. Before I stop the recording, does anybody have any questions? This was an open session. Anybody have any questions? Sudkahar?
Yeah, no questions, Jeff. It's looking
Okay, I'll
good.
just